So choosing the right WordPress theme can feel like having to pick the right outfit for a big event. You want it to fit just right and look perfect. So how do you choose? Let me break it down for you. Firstly, what is the purpose of your website? Is it a blog? Is it a portfolio? Is it an e-commerce website? You need to know because your theme needs to have the functionality that you're looking for. If it's a blog, it needs to have a clean design. If it's an e-commerce site, it needs to support WooCommerce. Next, you need to try the theme demos. I use a website called Theme Forest to find demos for my WordPress website. It's like driving a car. You need to test the car before you buy it. So make sure you look through all the demos for different themes, and if you like it, and if it matches your idea or the brand that you're building for, that's when you go for it. Responsiveness is a non-negotiable. Every time you're looking for a theme, make sure you test out the theme on a phone, on a tablet, on a laptop. You need to make sure that the theme looks just as good on every type of device. Make sure to think about speed and SEO. A beautiful theme that loads super slowly will kill your user experience and will kill your search engine rankings. So make sure you pick a theme that's optimized for performance and SEO. Even a slightly simpler website might be more effective. Make sure to pick a theme that's updated frequently and has ongoing support. A website that's updated frequently will make sure there's less security issues and is compatible with the latest versions. A theme that has ongoing support will save you time in the future when you run into issues. So yeah, those are my tips for picking a WordPress theme for your website. Make sure to use Theme Forest to look for themes for all type of websites. Follow for more web design tips.